In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make notes in Obsidian Mobile. Before we start, make sure the Obsidian app is installed and you've already created or opened a vault. The interface can look a little different depending on your theme, but the process is the same. First, open Obsidian on your phone. If you see a vault picker, just choose the vault where you want to keep your notes. Once the app loads, we'll head straight to the file browser so we can organize things. Look to the top left and tap the box icon. This opens the sidebar with your files and folders. Think of this as your note library. It's where everything in your vault lives. If the sidebar is already open, you're in the right place. Next, create a place to keep your new notes. Tap the new folder icon, usually a small folder with a plus sign, then type a clear short name for your folder. Good folder names make it easier to find things later, so avoid special characters and keep it descriptive. When you're done naming it, confirm to create the folder. Now open that folder by tapping it, and then tap New Note. A blank note will appear. In Obsidian, the first line becomes your note's title and file name. So start by typing a concise title. Below that, begin your content. Obsidian saves automatically, so there's no separate save button to worry about. If you need to back out, just navigate using the arrows or the sidebar, and you'll see your new note listed inside the folder you made. That's it. You opened Obsidian Mobile, found the file browser, created a folder, and added a new note. With this setup, you can keep related notes together and stay organized as your collection grows. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.